Hi everyone, this is Dr. K. S. Raghunandan, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Zoology, JSS College, Mysore. Today we're going to understand about agricultural entomology, that is related to insect pests and one of the major pests of sugarcane. Among the major pests of sugarcane, we have the classifications like major pests and minor pests, the early shoot borers, internode borers, top borers, root borer, white grub, termites, and under minor pests, it is root aphids are classified, and this is as per the updated classification as per the pests of sugarcane is concerned. The Chilo-Infuscatellus snellen, the systematic position lies like it belongs to class Insecta order Lepidoptera, and the common names include early shoot borer, sugarcane shoot borer, etc. This pest is commonly found in the sugarcane field and also the wild relatives of sugarcane such as Saccharum spontaneum, Erianthus munja, etc. Alternative hosts which includes the sorghum, maize, oats, barley, rice, etc. The pest status, a serious pest of sugarcane which are widely distributed throughout India is as shown in the slides. The life history includes being a holometabolous insect. The Chilo-Infuscatus lays eggs which takes approximately 7 days to hatch into larva. Then larva to pupa takes approximately 21 days. Then pupa to adult takes around 7 to 9 days. So overall it completes its life cycle within a span of 6 weeks. The symptoms of damage includes the attack of 1 to 3 months after the infestation, which is commonly referred to as a dead art disease, which is depicted, and the rotten portions of the cane colored dead art which emits an offensive odor which can be witnessed at a distance of around up to 20 meters. A number of boreholes can also be evidence at the base of the shoot, which is just above 1 to 2 feet from the ground level. The symptoms of damage includes the excreta at the nodal region by this particular pest, which is happening, the reddening of the affected tissues inside the cane, and the fresh borer attack is mostly found in the top 5 immature internodes and its activity continues till harvest. It can be controlled by various methods which includes physical control, chemical control and biological control. This particular major pest, the Chilo-Infuscatellus, can be controlled by using one of the major biological control agent, that is Trichogramma chilonis and Trichogramma japonicum, and also Isotomia javanensis. And as per the chemical control is concerned, by spraying cypermethrin, fipronil, NSKE, etc. can be controlled. However, there are no promising one for the control as per the chemical control is concerned, whereas biological control plays an important role. So with this, I would like to thank, and in the next video, we'll talk about pest of coconut. Thank you.